Sieht man das?
Okay. Let's go.
Sieht man uns auch, gell? Ja.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
1, 2, and 3. Hello everyone, and welcome to episode number 2. Maurice and Jan here from Needle, and in today's episode we are going to show you skills that we built at Needle with our Needle GTM agent. And in today's episode I'm going to share one skill that I built last week, and I would like to share it with Maurice. And I'm calling this skill the stale deal rehydration skill.
Hydration.
Because of hydration breaks from the World Cup.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you
Jan,
curious about it? Do you want to ask some questions?
Of
maybe?
course, yeah, I want to. I want to understand 3 core questions.
Yeah.
It's the what, it's the why, and the how.
Mhm.
Let's start with the what. Explain what problem it solves. Maybe give a bit context in your day-to-day life, like what triggered you to build this skill, and then you can also talk about then the why, of course, like why you build it then.
Okay, yeah, I mean, so this is like a mid-funnel problem. So after you had the first call, you may forget about this discovery call, or you wanted to follow up, the deal may go stale. And if it goes stale, it's very important for you to come back in time to this deal and also come back with the right message and the right information. Because let's say you have many discovery calls and you forget about these calls, then you need to re-engage these kind of deals or leads because maybe they went on holidays or they just went stale because you forgot about them. That can also happen, right? And then it comes back, gives you an overview of what already happened in the past and how you can approach this person now as of today again.
Okay. Yeah. Can you show an example, like how does it look for you, and like so then it happens automatically. So I see you open Slack, and it just like posts this into Slack, and like what data is this based on? Is this just based on the call recordings, or how does it know? Like, is there certain signals that triggers this, or like how does it work a bit under the hood? Maybe just in a few sentences so the audience can understand this.
That's right. Good question. So the agent is connected to the CRM, to the call transcribing tool, whether it's Granola or Fireflies. It's also connected to Lusha to do further enrichment, or Apollo. And hence it can actually find these deals that are in the CRM and maybe haven't had any activity for, let's say, longer than 5 days. And then it's going to look into these, query the transcript, enrich this persona if the phone number maybe is not there yet, and then gives you an insight of what happened in the past and how you can engage with this lead as of now based on this information that you're having. And ideally, it also surfaces you then the exact phone number of this person, and you can call right away the phone number because that has just the highest conversion rate if you just call the person rather than just writing them an email.
Okay.
Or you write them on WhatsApp, which is also a good kind of conversion rate. That's why I always try to also scrape the phone number.
Okay, nice. Yeah, can you show then? I mean, I'm seeing it already here. Can you just like walk through like the example of like the last?
Yeah, I just walk through it in a very abstract way. So basically, follow up with this persona. I get the phone number here. We have already pains confirmed. A quick update on the MEDDPICC status, like we're using MEDDPICC at Needle. Can also use Spiced, where we stand right now. And then what is my move today? How should I basically start this? So it gives me kind of like a small quote of how I could jump into this call today based on this kind of previous conversations, so that I really also reach this person very fast, because people do not tend to, when it comes to sale, have a very long attention span. So you need to reach the person relatively fast on an emotional level also.
Very interesting, very cool. And it seems also on first sight a bit standard, right? But there's a lot of data flowing into this. There's a lot of processing happening to make this really sharp. Like, where do you see this evolving to the next stage? Like, there's a lot of like signal-based outbound and signal-based like outreaches nowadays.
I mean, something that could be added here, and I would like to add, is actually if I could connect it also with LinkedIn and follow this basically persona on LinkedIn and query the activity that this persona has on LinkedIn and add this basically as a signal to this, when should I reach out. Right now it's a bit more like rule-based, like if longer than 5 days, then do take action. But maybe it's better to already after 2 days, when this persona likes a specific post or posts about this topic that you just discussed with this persona about. So that's what I would like to do better. Or I could just call right away half an hour later, hey, just saw that you are engaged with this kind of content, means that you may be thinking about this problem.
Nice.
which I think could be cool. And another step, which is even cooler, I think, if this could be automatically handling the deal. Let's say it automatically follows the deal through and then maybe also sends messages without me having to engage. It just knows by default what it does. I think
Like a tone of voice, etc.
Tone of voice. It writes the email until to the point where we get a message back on LinkedIn or, on, or via email, and then I can jump in again. I think that would be also very cool. I think that would be like the advanced mode of this skill.
Nice.
But this is already very good so far.
Okay, amazing.
Okay.
Thanks then for sharing.
Thank you
Super
for asking.
exciting.
Okay,
I will
let's
start
go.
using it. Let's go.